Download Kioti Daedong CS2410 CS2610 Tractor Workshop Service Repair Manual. Service Repair Manual will supply you with practical and complete information guides. PDF file contains good quality diagrams and instructions on how to service and repair your Hister Kioti CS2410 CS2610. This is recommended for the do-it-yourselfers. Saving yourself $$ in time in service repair and maintenance costs. Models covers: Kioti CS2410 US Tractor, Kioti CS2610 EU/U Tractor. Workshop Service Repair Manual covers: Safety first, General, Engine, Clutch, Transmission, HST, Rear Axle, Brake, Front Axle, Steering System, Hydraulic System, Electric System. Service Repair Manual or instant download. It means no shipping cost or waiting for a CD to arrive in the mail. You will receive this manual today via instant download on completion of payment via our secure payment processor. We accept all major credit/debit cards/PayPal. It is great to have. Will save you a lot and know more about your pages are printable. File format: PDF. Compatible, all versions of Windows and Mac, APP-ISO, iPhone, iPod, Android, etc. Language: English. Requirements: Adobe PDF Reader or Web HTML. Please use our search bar to find other manuals that you need. Download. Service Manual for Kioti Daedong CS2410 CS2610 Tractor Workshop Service Repair Manual download. Download. Service Manual for Kioti Daedong CS2410 CS2610 Tractor Workshop Service Repair Manual download. Download. Service Manual for Kioti Daedong CS2410 CS2610 Tractor Workshop Service Repair Manual download. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.